Raise your two hands. I don't know who the God of vengeance wants to help again. Any man or woman, system or structure, demon or spirit, invocation, ordinance, rising from the pit of hell, wherever they have sat down to cook evil, to cook negativity, to say you will weep and your children and whatever belongs to you, whatever that is going on in your life. If the hand of a man, if the hand of a woman is involved, was it spoken, was it decided on any altar, or the sound of your amen, let fire swallow. Let fire answer, let fire answer, fire answer, fire answer, fire answer, right now, let me hear you shout fire.